I'm about to show you how you can generate sound effects using ElevenLabs. So this is completely free. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All you need to do is create an ElevenLabs account if you don't have any, and then go to this left sidebar menu and you will see the sound effects option right here, or you can also find it at the home website and sound effect. So once you click there, you can describe your sound effect and then click on the generate button. You can also configure some different settings depending on the duration you want this sound effect to be. You can choose it between 0.5 seconds and 22 seconds, or you can even enable this option to automatically pick the best length for your sound effect. If you increase this option, it will cost you more credits, as you can see, and if I decrease it, it will be much cheaper. So you can also change the prompt influence. So if you decrease this option, it will make the sound effect be more creative, or if you increase it, it will perfectly follow the prompt you give it. So I'm gonna set it like this, for example, and then you just need to describe your sound effect, or you can use an example to get started. So let's say I want animal sounds. I can just click there, and now it will start loading, and it will give me the sound effect after just a few seconds. As you can see, I have 4 different variations right here, and I can click them to hear them, or I can download the one I like the most. So in this case, this is kinda useless because the duration was too low, but that's basically the process you need to follow if you want to generate sound effects. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.